Back. All right, welcome to Mr. Scavola's YouTube channel. And this question number 2. Oh no, my iPad turned off. Oh, it's just open. Okay. In this question, let's zoom in a little bit for the people at home who don't eat their carrots. All right. So a 200-foot tall monument is located in the distance. Oh, I like this one. From a window in a building, a person determines that the angle of elevation to the top of a monument is 15 degrees. So angle of elevation is always drawn with a horizontal line. So this is the peeping Tom in the window. I'll give him like a creepy grin. Right? He's creeping on some monument. So we can find X because it says here's the monument. We'll make it the Washington Monument because it's a beautiful monument. It's a big obelisk. So, all right, there's that. Okay. So from his window, right, his peeping Tom window, right, there's the window. All right. So he's looking up at the top of the monument, and it's a 200-foot tall monument. That's good to know. So I'll draw that on there. All right. So the angle of elevation from that window in like the middle of the monument is 15 degrees. And the angle of depression, right, is going to be 2 degrees. All right. And that's going to be Y. So how far is the person from the monument? So that's going to be this here. We'll call that Z. So we can actually figure out what X is or Y by representing X plus Y. So like this height plus that height we know is 200. So X plus Y is 200, which means that X is equal to 200 minus Y. All right, so this right here, all right, we'll just find Y then. So X is equal to 200 minus Y. Okay, so now we get another system here. So we could, oh, there goes our peeping Tom. All right, so we're going to do the tan of 15 is equal to, so it's tan because it's opposite over adjacent, is going to be 200 minus Y over Z. And then the tangent of 2 is equal to 2 degrees is equal to Y over Z. So if you ever have more than one variable, you need the same amount of variables as equations, all right? So now I'm just going to do this with the calculator to show you how that works. So I'll take a picture of it because I'm going to forget what this says. All right, so I'm going to open up my TI Inspire calculator. All right, that might take a moment. So if you're watching this video, you should fast forward. TI Inspire, oh, where are you? TI Inspire, that's not it. All right, and then we could just use the solve function, and I'll show you how. No, I don't want to save it. It's not important. Not everything needs to be saved, computer, okay? It's just sometimes you gotta let go. Our thing is loading here. There it is. And I'll remind you how to solve systems. So I encourage you to use a calculator as much as possible, especially for the algebra stuff. And if you have a CAS and you don't know how to like do solve function, let me know and I'll show you. Maybe I'll make a video. All right, so we're gonna go to a new calculator here. All right, so we go to the home screen, click new document, no, add a calculator. All right, so this is a CAS. It has to be a CAS or you could probably do this without a CAS because it is a linear equation. So you might as well try. So we'll go menu, algebra, solve system of equations. If you only have linear, do it. If you don't, use solve systems of equations because that is for all types of equations. So we have two variables. I called it Z and Y in my video, so earlier. Okay, so our first equation was, I took a picture, that was smart. Good job, Adam. So tangent of 15 is equal to 200 minus Y divided by Z. And then the tangent of 2 is equal to Y over Z. Hit enter, and you get some funky answer. That's because the calculator is giving you an exact answer. You didn't do anything wrong. So what we're going to do is copy it. So hit up on the arrow so it's highlighted. Hit enter, and it'll paste it. And now if you look at the enter button, there's a little squiggly equal sign. That means approximate. So we're going to hit control, enter. It's going to approximate those answers. So Z was the distance that the peeping Tom was standing from the monument. So that's so Z is our answer. It's gonna be 660 feet. And that is all I got. Let me pause this. Any questions on that?